Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Amazon affiliate links, locating SiteStripe, and how to post your product on Pinterest. First, type in sign up for Amazon affiliate program. Next, create your Amazon Associates account by entering your basic information. Once you have an account created, you will need to go to Amazon.com Associates Central. It will take you to this overview page. Here you can see how many people clicked on your link and how much you earn. On the top left of the screen, you will need to hover your mouse above the gray box that says Promotions, then click on the first drop-down box that says Amazon Bounty Program. It takes you to the Amazon homepage, where you can search for any product in your niche you would like to promote with your own Amazon link. At the top of the screen, type in the item you're looking for, then click Search. For this example, I'll type in Hello Kitty. Choose the item you would like to promote, then click on it. I chose the Hello Kitty and Friends 10-inch plushie that holds a shooting star and makes twinkling noises while lighting up the night. The only way to get the link used to be up on the top left on the screen, but now SiteStripe is located at the very top of the page. Click Get Link, and it will generate your own personal Amazon link for that item. You can also get the full link by selecting Full Link, located right next to the short link button. Now, I will show you how to post your Amazon item on Pinterest. First, on the top left of your screen, click the Pinterest button with the 3 lines. Next, click Create Pin. Then, go back to the Amazon page with your item you picked and save the picture. Go back to the Pinterest tab and insert the image you just saved here. For the title, go back to the Amazon tab, copy the item name and paste it as the title. Then, for the description, go back to the Amazon tab and copy the most interesting parts of the description and paste it in your Pinterest description. Next, go back to the Amazon tab and click on the Get Link button. Copy it and paste it in the Add a Link section. If you're posting multiple items, it would be wise to create boards for organization. You can also add hashtags if you'd like. Next, click the Add Products button, go back to the Amazon tab, get the link once more, then on the Pinterest tab, click the Use a Link button, paste your link, then click the Enter key. Because this is indeed an affiliate link, when the picture of your item pops up first you have to click the button that says Affiliate Link or Sponsored Products, then click on the picture or your item. And that's pretty much it. Once you're done, click Publish. It's on the top left of your screen. Congratulations, you've just posted your first Amazon affiliate link product on Pinterest, and this is what it looks like. And when someone clicks on your link, it will take them right to Amazon, where 9 times out of 10 they have their card saved on file, all ready to start buying. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.